Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add countdown timer to Shopify password page. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to follow these exact steps. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now first thing, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Of course, that it's assumed that you already created like password page, okay? Because you have to do that before you can add a countdown timer. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, next you want to click here. As you can see, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, you want to click on settings. After, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on apps and sales channels. Okay, apps and sales channels, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now we are going to download an app that will help us do this. Okay, it's called Countdown Timer. Just search for Countdown Timer and you will see a lot of apps. Now the app I like to use is this one. It's called Essential Countdown Timer Bar. Now you want to click on it and you want to click on install. After, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install. Right, this is my password page. I'm going to go to my own Shopify store right now, and now as you can see, I'm going to open it in a new tab. As you can see, my Shopify is like has a password. Okay, this is what they call password page. Now visitor like our customers will not be able to check the Shopify store. They will just see the countdown timer here and the message you have added for your password page. All right, now let's do it right now. I'm going to add the countdown timer to the password page on Shopify. All right, now what you guys need to do, you want to just like I said, you want to download the app. Okay, now after you download it, what you guys need to do is just need to open the app. And this is how it looks like. You need to select one of the for example, you can go with one of the, I already downloaded the app, that's why it doesn't show me like 6 different options like product page or whatever, something like that. Now after you are on this page, you want to click on create a new timer, and here I'm going to go with the top, bottom, or landing page, or okay, free shipping bar. Now I'm going to go with the starter plan. I'm going to go with top, bottom bar, or product page. Okay, I'm going to plug in the product page. I'm going to go with this one, top, bottom bar. Okay, this one. All right, now you want to customize this countdown timer only visible to you. For example, this is on like countdown timer name is only visible to you. Here the title, hurry up, sales ends in. For example, you can type something like we are under maintenance, or we are fixing our store and we will be available in for example, we will be available in this number, okay, in 23 hours. Okay, here shop now, you can change it to something else, this one like order or something like that. And that's it. Now after you are finished customizing this, you want to click on continue design at the bottom. You can also change the color, you can change whatever you want here. Click on continue. Okay, after you click on continue, what you guys need to do next is you want to click here where it says custom position. Okay, you need to click here custom position and make sure you click on save in the top right, as you can see, and make sure you publish it. Click on publish here. As you can see, countdown timer was successfully published. Now what you guys need to do in this case, you just need to copy this code. Okay, this is easy. So I'm sorry, it's not a code, it's just this timer ID. As you can see, click on it. Okay, this is the timer ID. You want to click on it. Now when I go to Shopify, when I log into your Shopify store, okay, on your Shopify dashboard. All right, now you want to click here on online store and you want to click on customize, and in the top here it says homepage, you want to select here password, and here you will see your password page. Now you want to click here where it says add block, and then you want to click on apps and you want to click on countdown timer. Click on it, and then you want to click on countdown timer and you want to type here the timer ID. You just need to paste the timer ID here and then click on save, and this is exactly how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go to, okay, so I'm going to open my Shopify store in a new tab so that I can show you guys how it looks like. I'm going to go here, new page. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, we will be available in this time, as you can see, 23 hours from, like, we will be available within 24 hours. Now you can also add like multiple, like if you want to add it in the top, you can do that. It's very easy. So yeah, you can also go to design, you can add it in the top or a bottom page. Okay, so it depends on what you want. This applies, like it's the same. Okay, so you can make a bigger one if you want, but I feel like this one is better, so it looks like professional. So like I said, that's it. So that's exactly how you can add a countdown timer to your Shopify store password page. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next one.